to everyone assembled here on this platform of paradise. Proudly, Faculty of Forestry, Sher Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology. With its inborn slogan, Unposhitele Yelevan Poshin. My good self, Sadia Zargar from BSc 4th year of this reputed institute and host for the today's program held under the unit of NSS Faculty of Forestry. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I wholeheartedly welcome you all to the occasion of the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna, Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, a visionary, a jurist, a philosopher, and the chief architect of the Indian Constitution.
It's my honor and pleasure that today I have given an opportunity to talk and celebrate the 132th Janam Divas of Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, who throughout his life made indelible contributions to the country's progress. Baba Sahib, also known as Respected Father, was born on April 14, 1891 in Madhya Pradesh into a Dalit Mahar family and died on 6 December 1956. He is an Indian jurist, economist, and a social reformer and political leader who chaired the committee that drafted the Constitution of India based on the debates of the Constituent Assembly of India and the first draft of Sir Banighanar Singh Rao. Okay, wrapping up my speech by Baba Sahib's quote as, educate a man, you educate an individual, but educate a woman, you educate a family. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
It's indeed a great honor to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate the birth anniversary of one of our most towering personalities of modern India, Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. More than just the principal architect of the Indian Constitution, Dr. Ambedkar was a visionary who dreamed of a secular, egalitarian India, a nation where every individual, regardless of the caste, creed, religion, gender, or color, would live in harmony, freedom, and dignity. Baba Sahib Ambedkar envisioned an India where equality was not just an idea on the paper, but a lived reality, where no individual would suffer discrimination or exclusion on the basis of birth, belief, or background. His entire life was a relentless struggle against the caste-based oppression, social inequality, and injustice.
It's with great pride and reverence that we come together here to celebrate the birth anniversary of one of the Indian greatest sons, Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, a visionary, a scholar, a reformer, and the principal architect of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar's life is not just a chapter in history, it is living inspiration. Born into challenging circumstances, he faced discrimination and hardships from a very young age. Yet he refused to let the circumstances of his birth define his destiny.
Which you can't, compromise on is your personal existence and your personal freedom. When it's been encroached upon, you can do anything, to be independent in terms of your thoughts and actions.
To begin with, Dr. Ambedkar's appointment as the chairman of drafting committee in 1947 was not a routine political gesture. It was in many ways a radical act, as he was not directly part of any mainstream nationalist movement. He even criticized Congress leadership and even Mahatma Gandhi on caste and their representation.
Who shaped some of the mammoth moments of mankind, impacting around 160 million Dalit lives, impacting and empowering them with the basic fundamental human rights. As a young boy, he was forced to sit outside his classroom, couldn't touch the same pot,
faced many challenges throughout his lifetime just for being from a low caste. Even with his towering intellect, he failed to secure a job as upper caste officials refused to work with him. He was denied lodgings and often had to sleep in public parks, often surviving on stale food. His struggles didn't end with his graduation, they began with him. Dr. Ambedkar knew that education was the only kryptonite of the Indian casteism, the sectarianism and the bigotry.
His progressive ideas and legal provisions laid the foundation for gender equality, particularly through the Hindu Code Bill, securing rights in marriage, inheritance, and property. He emphasized the importance of education for women, viewing it as a key to social transformation.
के ऊपर एक बर्डन मानते हैं और वो कुछ सजेशंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर टैक्सेशन, जिसमें से पहला था दैट टैक्सेशन शुड बी इम्पोज्ड ऑन कैपेसिटी एंड नॉट ऑन इनकम। अब किसी की इनकम ज्यादा होती थी तो उसको पे करना पड़ता था ज्यादा टैक्स।
It was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar who acted as rebel and empowered them through the Hindu Bill Code, letting each girl who marries stand up to her husband and not become slave to him. He gave this nation the world's largest constitution. भारत देश का जो ये संविधान है, हर उस भारतीयवासी को सम्मान है, हर उस वीर के बलिदान को सलाम है जिसने निर्माण किया इस स्वतंत्र भारत का।
Form of an undelivered speech, annihilation of caste. In annihilation of caste, Ambedkar boldly stated that caste is not just a division of labor, it's a division of laborers. Caste system has made the lower caste slaves of upper caste, not because of their merit, but because of their birth.
There was a time when the social discrimination and educational exclusion was touching the sky in our country. The Bharat was deeply entrenched in the caste system, which was sanctioned by religious texts and traditions. The biggest barrier to eliminate the caste system was intercaste marriage or endogamy. Even sharing food with the lower caste people was punishable. Untouchability was at its peak. मंदिरों में, बाजारों में और यहाँ तक कि कुएं से पानी निकालना और सड़क पर चलना भी ऊपरी जाति लोग नागवार नहीं करते थे निचली जाति का। Then there comes a man, a multi-talented personality, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji.
On behalf of the SSS Unit Faculty of Forestry, I would like to thank Dean Faculty of Forestry, who is not presently here. उन्होंने हमें permission दे दिया to conduct this program. I would also like to thank P.A. Khan sir, Ikhlaq sir, Khurshid sahab. ये सुबह से इन्होंने काफ़ी टाइम यहाँ पे दे दिया, and I'm very thankful to you sir for spending your valuable time here and appreciating the students here. Special thanks to Naseem Zafar साहब और सारे students जिन्होंने participate किया आज के program में, who spoke here. आप लोगों का भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Then to Sadia for hosting this event, and again thanks to one and all सारे faculty members का who have been part of this program. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.